This is Biphasic Defibrillator, model name Vital Wave. Over backside we have the power socket for charging the machine, for battery charging the machine, and here over here this is the power on off switch. When we switch on, the machine gets on. As soon as it gets on, it performs a self test for few seconds. After over self test, it shows self test OK. Now we will look at the interface. On display we can see here the date, time. Over here we can see the heart rate. Here how much energy we have to set. We have to rotate the encoder and the energy gets selected. Same, we can charge the energy from paddles. We have to press the buttons equally at one time. You can see here it shows charged, means paddles are charged. Now we can deliver it. We have to again press the button equally. It can show over here energy delivered. Also how much energy is delivered is shown here. Similarly, we can access these features from here also. We can charge the paddles from here also. Charged, and now press discharge button for deliver. Energy delivered 29 joules. Now we will look at some indications. This indication is for paddle connectivity, whether the paddles are connected or not. If this light glows, the paddles are connected. If doesn't glow, paddles are not connected. Second one is for paddle charged condition. Whenever we charge the paddles, when the paddle gets fully charged, this indication glows. And we deliver, the indication goes down. Third indication is for error condition. If there is any error in the machine, this indication will glow. Now here we can see this is a mute button to keep the sound off. This one is for to freeze the screen. Or you can see over here the screen is freezed. It also shows here freeze. This is for manual printing. Over here we have a printer. This button is currently inactive, and this is for accessing the menu. By pressing this button we can access the menu. Over here from this we can change here settings of ECG, like AccuStation. We need ECG from paddles or from patient cable. We can choose it. Also we can change the gain of ECG, speed, and lead format is also available in 3 lead and 5 lead format. Over here we can see the leads have been selected to 5 lead: RA, LA, LL, RL and V1. If I change to 3 lead, it comes to RA, LA and LL. Also we can change the alarm sound, heart rate alarm from high and low, both ends are given. We have to set the heart rate to the minimum or highest. Also we can change the beep sound also. If we want the beep, doesn't want the beep, we can keep it in off mode. Over here we can see the battery status, how much the battery is charged. Ensure that the battery is fully charged before using the defibrillator, and the machine should be only operated on battery. Now we will look at the sync mode. When we switch on the sync mode, it shows here sync mode. Also the LED glows over here. In sync mode, when we charge the pedals and when the ECG long lead detects, at that time only it will deliver, otherwise it will not deliver the energy. You can see I am pressing it multiple times, but it is not delivering because no ECG is detected. Now we will look at the printer function. Over here we have a printer. To open the printer flap, you have to just push it, insert the paper roll, make sure that the graph of the paper is on upper side, and we have to press for locking. You can see that graph is on upper side. We also have a auto print feature. By accessing the menu in the settings, there is a auto print feature. Currently it is in off mode. We have to switch on it. And as soon as I charge the energy, the print starts automatically up till I deliver it. Now we will look at the other settings. Go to the menu. Over here we can see the trend, how much energy we have delivered last time, and we can also preview it by selecting, and also we can print it. Over here are some settings. Date and time, we can set the date and time from here. After setting the date and time, we have to confirm. It will take few seconds. We can also adjust volumes from here. Beep sound, alarm, contrast, mute time, we can also change the mute time to maximum 30 minutes. Here is the default button. If any of your setting gets misplaced, from here we have to just do set default, reset to factory setting, yes, and exit. The machine will get reset automatically. Also we can look at the demo mode. In demo mode, somehow the machine looks like this. Also we can add a new patient, set new patient, yes. After setting new patient, you have to enter the patient details. From here you can set the patient ID, bed number, name, age, gender, and as soon as we come back, the details get saved. Always ensure that the battery is full charged and the machine should be only operated on the battery. Never to use the machine on the power cord.